Hi everybody, it's me, your fearless leader with the March update. Now this is my second try at this. We've been having a really windy day and my video cut out about 5 minutes into the first one. At least it wasn't all the way in. Um, Welcome to the March update. We're going to have two collaborations this month, so I hope you're excited or as excited about it as I am. We're going to have the usual challenge collaboration with Line Dot Arrow that we run, and I'll remind you how that works in a minute. And we're also having a collaboration with Mandy of Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers Indoors Facebook group, and it's called Beautiful Blues Collaboration. Now, Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journals, just that group, and Beautiful Blues, and Sunflowers Indoors are the main two groups that are having the collaboration, okay? The other two groups that I have are going to be involved, and I'll tell you how in just a minute, okay? So, only Sunflowers Indoors group, and I'm not going to tell the full names every time, and the Sweet Pea Papers groups will be releasing the challenge videos and will be giving away the freebies. All right, there's going to be neither one in my other two groups. However, there will be drawings in the other two groups. Okay, I do have notes. So don't be scared, but I want to make sure to get the details of the Beautiful Blues collaboration correct. Okay, so we're going to be working with the Beautiful Blues Junk Journal Kit by Sunflowers Indoors, and it's very pretty, and I know you're going to like it. So check out Mandy's flip through that she put up on February 20th on her YouTube channel, which is over there at youtube.com/@sunflowersindoors. It's an @ just like everyone else. I keep leaning to the right. The kit has 60 pages. 60 pages, and that includes 4 folio pages for a folio project for you. You'll get freebies every Sunday at the Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers Indoors Junk Journal group and the Sweet Pea Papers Junk Journals groups alone. Just those two, not at any other of the Junk Journal groups. Okay? If you're new, if you're just subscribing to these two groups, if you are a member of maybe one of my other groups and you're not a member of Sweet Pea Papers yet, or you're a member of Sweet Pea Papers, what's going on with my necklace? A member of the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, but you're not yet a member of Mandy's group, when you sign up, make sure to check off that you're going to abide by the group rules, or it will make a delay in you getting entered into the group. You may get rejected automatically. I don't know how Mandy's got hers set up. And then you have to reapply and check off that you agree to the group rules. Or in my groups, it'll just go into a list and I'll manually approve you or disapprove you. And if you haven't checked off that you agree to the list, group rules, then you will get rejected, and I will put a note in there for you to reapply. That's how that works. So make sure that you check that off if you're new to either one of the groups, so that, I swear there's dust floating around right in front of me. Anyway, there was a little ghost spot that just went by from here to here. Anyway, now I'm distracted. So there's going to be new challenge videos every Sunday. Mandy's going to put one up, and I'm going to put one up, so that you know what the challenge projects are. And her YouTube channel is @Sunflowers Indoors, and mine is @Sweet Pea Papers. And the challenges, this is what's different, so pay attention. The challenges run Sundays through Fridays, and the drawings are going to be on Saturdays. There's going to be a drawing a week in this collaboration. Okay, so every Saturday there's going to be a drawing. The giveaway drawing will be on Saturdays. The winners will be announced in the groups by a post, I believe, in Sunflowers and Doors. I think she makes an actual Facebook post. And then, of course, I do mine by video. You have to watch the video to see if you've won, and there's one for each group. Okay, a video for each group. Now, to enter the giveaways, you can go to, and this is where it's different as well, you can go to Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers and Doors. You can go to Sweet Pea Paper's Junk Journals. You can go to Junk Journal Tutorials and More, and Junk Journal and Papercrafts. Now, there's going to be an event every week listed for this collaboration, and all of these details that I'm telling you and links will be in the event. Okay, and there's going to be some information and links below the video on my weekly videos on Sundays. Okay. Wow, we're on page 3 already. To enter the giveaways, you need to share photos or videos in the main group feeds at any of the 4 groups, hopefully all the 4 groups, so you remember. And using the appropriate weeks hashtag. The hashtag is going to change every week depending on what the week that it is, because we're having a drawing every week. So the Beautiful Blues hashtags are going to be Beautiful Blues Week 1, Beautiful Blues Week 2, Beautiful Blues Week 3, Beautiful Blues Week 4. Okay, this is all going to be in the events. And the challenge of the week will be in the event, and I'm not going to tell you what they are ahead of time. And so that's how you'll find out all this information. You have to go to the event. It's got all kinds of extra information than what I'm giving you here. I'm just giving you the overview. Okay, so you'll receive 1 entry to the giveaway per post, per week, per group. If you create, for example, if you create 3 items that week and post them in all 4 groups, then you'll get 12 entries into the 4 drawings, and you have a better chance of winning something. Just like in the line dot arrow challenges we do every month, except these are weekly drawings. And yeah, so the more you create, the more you enter, then the more you win. Now, you don't have to create just the challenges. You can create anything. If you do decide to purchase the kit and use that as part of your makes, whether you use freebies or not, you'll receive an additional giveaway entry for each post you upload. And of course, it's important that you tell us whether you've used kit pages or not, because there's 60 pages in the kit pages. We're giving you about 20 pages as freebies over the 4 weeks, and there's no way, absolutely no way, we're going to be able to keep track just by looking at what you made and tell whether you use the freebies or the freebies in the kit or just the kit. All right, so what you're going to have to do is tell us what you've used, and you can only post for that week, Monday through Friday. So if you post the challenge project, now you can post your extra projects any day, okay? Then it won't count because the drawing will already have been passed for that week, okay? I look like the Hunchback of Notre Dame. There we go. You can't see both shoulders. That was weird looking. Yeah. So the post must be uploaded on or before that week's due date, and the winners will be picked the following day, which means Saturdays, and announced in the relevant Facebook groups, which is either as a post in Sunflowers and Doors or a video in Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials and More, and Junk Journal and Papercrafts, which I just went over. The winners will be able to pick any digital kit from Mandy's Etsy. So if you win in Junk Journal Tutorials and More, you still get to pick a kit from Mandy's shop. That collaboration is with her group and her shop. So you are going to want to go to her shop and pick out which one you want, and then message her with Messenger the week and the group you're in, the week you won, the group you're in, and what you want. You only have 1 week to tell her what you want. So if you win in week 1, you only have until the drawing of week 2 to let her know what you want from week 1. Does that make sense? Because every time we have a drawing, there's a new winner. So the current winner needs to let her know during that current winning period. All right. So now all of this info will be in the weekly Beautiful Blues event. They are similar but not the same as the Line Dot Arrow collaborations and challenges. So we're going to be having the same Line Dot Arrow challenge that we have every month, which is Natalie releases a video on Saturdays. The events run through Sunday through Friday. And we have one drawing a month, not one drawing a week. Okay. Let's see, what else was I going to say about that? Oh, you can only get the challenge papers at Line Dot Arrow. Oh, I think that's in the next thing I'm going to go over. Okay, so the main differences, not the things that are the same, but the main differences between the two collaborations are that in the Beautiful Blues collaboration, new videos will be released on Sundays. The challenges run Monday through Friday. The drawings will be held on Saturday. Freebies only at the Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers and Doors and Sweet Pea Papers. Those are the only 2 groups that you can get the freebies at. There's a different hashtag each week, which I told you about, and that will be posted in the event for that week. And there's a drawing every Saturday, not once a month. In the Line Dot Arrow collaboration, which the name is to be released. I don't know the name yet because we haven't got the kit yet. Natalie's remodeling her kitchen for the last 2 weeks. And so there's a lot of mayhem going on at her house. And so it's going to be a little late in the month before we know what the kit's going to be and the name and all that. So like I said, Natalie's going to release new videos on Saturdays. The challenges run Saturday through Friday. The challenge papers can only be gotten at the Line Dot Arrow Junk Journal Group Facebook group. Okay? You can only get them at her group. Now, there's 6 groups in the challenge with Line Dot Arrow, and that's going to be Two Sister Jam, Sophie's Crafty Corner, Line Dot Arrow Junk Journal Group Facebook group, Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials, and more, and Junk Journal and Papercrafts. So you can enter for the Line Dot Arrow collaboration in any of those 6 groups. There's an event every week posted for this, and all the links are posted in that event. So you definitely need to read the events posting for these 2 events for the month, and they'll be posted every week. All right, be sure. Use the correct hashtag. The hashtag for Line Dot Arrow's collaboration is good for the whole month. It's not changing weekly. And the drawing is at the end of the month or a couple days into the beginning of the next month. Okay, so that's the end of the challenges update. Now the groups update, the projects, there'll be 3 new projects of March, none of which I can show you. Sorry, you're just going to have to imagine what's going to go on. The Beautiful Blues is made with the Beautiful Blues kit and the challenge projects for the month. So I obviously can't show it to you because then I'll be showing the challenge projects, which you're not going to know until, the week that challenge is going on. Sorry about that. So it is the first project that I have done with placeholders. So I will be doing a project called Beautiful Blues Journal, which is different than the challenges because there's just little one day, project. They're about an hour and a half each one, for you, posted every Sunday. But I'm going to be doing my regular full journal or a folio project for the month for Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials, and more, and Junk Journals and Papercrafts. And that's going to be running the first 2 weeks of the month, starting on, Made with Beautiful Blues. And that's going to start on March 2nd. Okay? Then the Line Dot Arrow Design Team project, I can't tell you the name and I can't show it to you because I don't know yet. Okay? Now the Sweet Pea Papers Coffee Members video series, I can't tell you the name of it because I don't know it yet. And I can't show you the project because I haven't made it yet. They're coming up. They will be shown, or they will be posted and everything like normal. Monday, Wednesday, Friday for the first 2 weeks of the month for the Sweet Pea Papers project. Monday, Wednesday, Friday for the second project of the month, which is going to be the Line Dot Arrow Design Team project. And sometime during the middle of the month for the coffee, which is ko-fi.com/Sweet Pea Papers, link to be below, will be sometime in the middle of the month. And then you guys, if you're just, because this update is for my 3 groups, won't be able to see anything but the flip through unless you're a member of the coffee membership for Sweet Pea Papers. You got it? So you got to sign up for the membership, which isn't, it's like very, very cheap. Okay. If you do that, then you get to see the extra tutorial every month. And it's a little bit longer tutorial. Okay. The Creative Angels drawings will be on March 2nd on schedule. And the winners will be announced in my 3 groups by video and in Natalie's group by a video as well. And so in closing, yay! I know that this update was a little long, but I hope that I've explained the collaborations and the challenges to you, plus the publishing schedule as well, which I don't know. I know the schedule, and I told you the schedule, which is going to be Sundays for the collaboration with Mandy, and then Monday, Wednesday, Friday for both of the my project and my Line Dot Arrow Design Team project. All right. So I want you to have a great month. Make sure to participate in both collaborations, 5 challenges, and let's see, 4, 8, 12, 16, 22 drawings. 22 drawings in this junk journal. In the Line Dot Arrow collaboration drawing with 6 groups. There's 5 winners in each group, so that's 30 kits you can win. And in the collaboration with Mandy, which is the Beautiful Blues collaboration, there's 4 groups, so that's 12 kits per week that you can win. It's insane, I tell you. It's insane. You guys can win so much this month, and I really want you to participate and have fun. And just remember the hashtags, and that'll keep you straight, and you'll get in all the correct drawings and entries, and you know what I mean, all that good stuff. All right, so that's it for this month, and I will see you next month. And have a great month, and have fun with all the challenges. All right? Okay. Bye-bye.